Relax that shoulder. There's a good one. Let this hip drop. Good. Other side. When he comes in, as the adjustment holds, let this hip. There you go. On your back, please.
Yeah, just let me have you here, Tyler. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to that lower back.
Good Lord.
Okay, keep breathing and relaxing. There you go.
Okay, let's relax here. And this way. Okay, relax. Chin up a little bit. Good. What do you feel? What's your first experience with that? Pain, craziness, feel good, feel bad.
It feels lighter over here, but now the pain kind of.
You can't wait for the. Yeah. You're like, do the other side. Anything else?
Almost kind of like lightheaded.
Okay. Okay, nice and relaxed here. Okay. Come this way to the right a little bit. Good.
Okay. There you go. Yes, sir. Jeez. Yes, sir. Thank you. Wow.
Good. Perfect. All right.
Bend out. Relax. Good. Let your hips relax. Lay on your back. Just let it all go here. That's perfect. Gentle, super gentle here. Let it go. Let your ankles relax. Swallow. Little push.
What the hell was that? Was that out of place?
Don't be worried about this shoulder. I'm not gonna hurt it. There it is. With your left ear. There you go. Long run.
Breath in and out. Perfect.
Is there any popping?
I know.
Oh.
There it was. Lay flat on your back for now.
Okay.
And that released quite a bit in
I
here.
felt that release in my ankle. That felt really good.
Good. Hands up and over mine. Lean back. Elbows together. Screw, screw, screw.
Oh, that felt so good.
Good. Good. Perfect.
Oh, wow. That one got me good.
Good.
Good. Let your shoulder relax. Good. We're just going to bring this down. Gentle. Good. Lay on your back. Good. Nice and gentle. Good. Lay on your back.
Whoa.
Good. Very gentle here.
Whoa.
And out.
To be setting your C1.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah! That was a big one.
That was a little bit.
That was little.
That was a little.
Did you not get it?
No.
We have to do it again.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's right. See, as soon as I get to here, you tense.
Yeah. Ow!
Gotcha.
Ah.
Gotcha. Oh. You relax that bottom leg. Let it go. Gotcha. Over, around, down. Over.
Ow. Owie!
Got it. That's it. Done. Done.
There it was. Flip to the other side. There it was. Lay flat on your back for me. And we do the other side also. There we go. Yeah. Yep. So I'm gonna lean you back onto me. Trust well on me. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go.
That felt good.
Go down, go down, go down. Good. Already cleared out. And you can relax there. Patients just relaxed.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
5, 4, 3. That's a home run.
Bro, I'm literally drooling.
Look at that.
That was so good. I thought it was gonna hurt. It's just shocking. It literally is just shocking.
Home run. Gotcha. Walk it off.
Okay.
Tilt on this side, okay? Home run.
Holding your mask. There you go. Yes, sir. The only other patient I've ever adjusted in a mask was Michael Myers. Woo, boy. Crack addict's gonna love that one. Perfect. Good job. Yes. Yes, sir. There you go. Good. Okay. Now, there you go. It's getting easier. Okay, relax. There you go. There you go. Good job. That's it. There we go.
Good. Yeah, we're gonna drop down to T3 on this one here on the right. Good. Perfect. Just open everything up nice and all the way out. Okay. Now I want you to look as far as you can over your left shoulder. There it was.
There it is.
Trust fall onto me. So maybe fall back onto me. Squeeze your elbows together. Squeeze. There we go. Deep breath in and exhale all the way out.
Oh, yeah, you got some there, buddy.
Oh.
Wow, wow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There we go. Good. Mm-hmm. That's it. You're noisy everywhere, aren't you? Was taken care. There you go. Perfect. Crack addict's gonna love you.
Now I'm gonna focus on 5, C5, C6. Good. Good. Beautiful.
You relax your head in my hands here now. Okay, let me do the work. You just think about something else. Wiggle your left toe. There you go. Now wiggle your right big toe. There you go. Yes, sir.
We start doing new ones as we go forward, but still the same. Okay. Beautiful.
Head first. Perfect. And exhale all the way out.